Hey, what's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. Today we'll be opening up the glove box for the month of June. Finally, after 14 days after they shipped it out, I finally got it. Kind of stoked. I want to see what's going on inside. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, live streams we do every other Saturday, hit the subscribe button down below. In the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So GloveBox is a subscription-based company that sends out basically like a mystery box once a month. And this month for June, we're going to open up and see what we got inside. I do love the glove box. The only thing I don't like about it is the shipping to California is terrible. It does take forever. It's like snail mail. Alright, so as you notice, the first thing we have is the awesome packaging. It's freaking fantastic. The packaging is always great. And looks like we're going to have a lithium car care takeover. That's going to be fantastic because I love the lithium product. So, inside. First thing we're going to look at is the Hyper Cleanse. The Hyper Cleanse from lithium. Fantastic. All-purpose cleaner. It works really well. Really well it works. Next thing we got is their Color Crush. It's an SiO2 instant detailer. Man, it puts on some super slickness too on when you're trying to clean up your car. It's really great. And one of my top 3 favorite interior detailer, Inner Space. Inner Space is fantastic. Interior detailer. We got a couple rags, 1, 2, 3 rags, one for each thing. And this month we're gonna get no stickers. And nope, no stickers this month from GloveBox. So we'll go over what we got real quick from. Let's see where that little. Here we go. Step-by-step guide. Let's start off with a utility product designed to remove stains from leather and other interior surfaces, stubborn brake dust, deposit wheels. You grab Hyper Cleanse, so you can basically use it inside out of all your vehicles, agitate with a brush or microfiber, then remove. Now that the interior surfaces are all clean, let's protect it and condition them with and defend against damage of hot sun. Grab your lithium Inner Space. Spray onto one of the included microfiber towels, which I fully recommend doing that also. This product will not leave a cheap look-like shine. Instead, it will make your interior feel and smell like it was used today. Actually smells really good. I love the way it smells. Then the last product we wanted to highlight from lithium is a fantastic instant detailer, Color Crush. This SiO2 infused detail spray will make your paint color pop and also add some protection. To apply, start with the clean and dry vehicle. Select a 4-foot by 4-foot panel and add a few sprays. Grab one of the microfiber towels and then wipe off. So you can go to lithiumcarcare.com and you can use GloveBox for 20% off. I actually think I might have a code that might be a little bit better in the links also. It might be the same, I'm not sure. But if you go to my link tree, you'll see it. So the Hyper Cleanse retails for $21.99. Inner Space retails for $24.99. And the Color Crush retails for $19.95. And the 3 microfiber towels are $9.99. Which brings the value to $76. So for $34.95 a month, if you use my code Mike20, you get 20% off your first month, which takes it down to 27 bucks. You can get detailed products at over half price, because some boxes have been over $100 and still 35 bucks for the box. Expedited shipping sometimes works if you do select that. If you want to live in California and want to get them sooner. Still could take up to 7 days though, even though it says 2 to 3. If not, then expect at least 12 to 14 days to come to the West Coast. If you're on the East Coast, you can probably get it the same day or the next day. They do pretty quick on the East Coast. FedEx sucks coming out here. I guess they don't like it out here because it's always nice and sunny. I don't know. I'm just kidding. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Leave in the comments if you've done any of these products before and which one do you like the most. And until next month, we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.